Welcome to Tulivu Kilimanjaro Retreat, a peaceful guest house located in Mashi, just a short distance from Mount Kilimanjaro. From the moment you arrive, you're immediately welcomed into a calm and relaxed setting designed to help you settle in with plenty of communal areas to explore. If you're lucky, you may even be greeted by some bunnies and a tortoise. The staff are warm and attentive, making sure you have everything you need to make your stay a memorable one. Tulivu Lodge offers comfortable rooms surrounded by lush gardens, creating a quiet retreat after long days of exploring, hiking, or climbing. Whether it's their executive cottage with your own private pool, their newly renovated honeymoon cottage with a private garden, or their standard room, there is an accommodation option for every traveler. During the day, you can relax by the pool, cool off after your adventures, or enjoy a drink at the bar while taking in the peaceful surroundings. For the more adventurous traveler who wishes to explore the local area, you can even take advantage of renting one of the property's bikes. Meals are freshly prepared and thoughtfully served with a full wine selection, making it easy to slow down and enjoy good food in their beautiful outdoor restaurant. Tulivu Kilimanjaro Retreat provides a comfortable and welcoming stay in Mashi, making it an ideal place to relax before or after experiencing Mount Kilimanjaro.